Stop everything. 2026 is the year your life changes forever. You survived 2025. Now watch how you rise in 2026. 2026 isn't coming to you. It's coming for you. If you hear this message, 2026 is your turning point. Take a breath. 2026 is about to rewrite your story. This is the year everything finally makes sense. You're not behind. You're right on time for 2026. 2026 begins right now, not with fireworks, not with resolutions, but with a decision inside you. A decision to rise. A decision to stop carrying the weight of old years into a new one. This year is not waiting for permission. It is calling your name. Everything you've survived, everything you've learned, everything you've healed, it has brought you to this moment. This is not just another year. This is your turning point. 2026 is not just another year on the calendar. It is a doorway, a reset, a divine invitation for you to rise into the version of yourself you've been dreaming about. Every challenge you faced in 2025 was preparing you. Every delay was redirecting you. Every disappointment was shaping you. Nothing was wasted. 3, this year you walk differently. You think differently. You choose differently because now you know your worth. For 2026 is the year you stop shrinking to make others comfortable. You stop apologizing for your light. You stop doubting your gifts. 5, this is the year you step into your power fully, boldly, unapologetically. 6, you've carried enough. You've survived enough. You've sacrificed enough. Now it's time to receive, to grow, to expand. 7, 2026 is the year you break cycles that have been in your family for generations. The year you heal wounds you never caused. The year you choose peace over pressure. 8, this is the year you stop chasing people and start attracting blessings. The year you stop begging for love and start embodying it. 9, you are not entering 2026 empty. You are entering with wisdom, strength, clarity, and a heart that refuses to give up. This year, you will see why things didn't work before. You will understand why certain people left. You'll realize why the timing had to be delayed at 11/20/26 is alignment. 12, 2026 is elevation. 13, 2026 is transformation. 14, this is the year you stop surviving and start living. The year you stop doubting and start believing. The year you stop waiting and start creating. 15, you are not behind. You are not late. You are right on time for your breakthrough. This is SACE in 2026. Your consistency will pay off. Your discipline will reward you. Your patience will open doors you thought were locked. 17, this is the year you choose yourself, not out of selfishness, but out of self-respect. 18, you will protect your energy. 19, you will honor your boundaries. 20, you will walk away from anything that drains your spirit. 21, 2026 is the year you build your health, your wealth, your peace, your purpose. 22, you will speak differently. You will think differently. You will move differently because you finally understand that your life is shaped by your choices. 23, this is the year you stop saying one day and start saying today. 24, The year you stop waiting for motivation and start relying on discipline. 25. The year you stop fearing failure and start fearing regret. 26. You are stepping into 2026 with courage, with clarity, with confidence. 27. You are stepping into 2026 with a heart that knows it deserves more. 28. You are stepping into 2026 with a mind that refuses to settle. 29. You are stepping into 2026 with a soul that is ready to rise. 30. This is your year to grow spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and financially. 31. This is your year to become the person your younger self prayed for. 32. This is your year to build the life your future self will thank you for. 33. You are not entering 2026 alone. You are entering with strength, with lessons, with divine protection. 34. The universe is not against you. It is aligning for you. 35. Your blessings are not lost. They are scheduled. 36. Your breakthrough is not denied. It is preparing. 37. Your moment is not gone. It is coming. 38. So breeze, trust, believe. 2026 is not happening to you. It is happening for you. 39. This is your year of elevation. Your year of clarity. Your year of abundance. 40. Step into 2026 with your head high, your heart open, and your spirit ready, because this year is yours. 41. In 2026, you will finally see the results of seeds you planted years ago. 42. The doors that stayed closed before will open effortlessly this year. 43. The opportunities you once prayed for will start seeking you. 44. Your energy will attract people who match your growth, not your past. 45. This year, you will stop explaining yourself to those committed to misunderstanding you. 46. You will rise above old patterns that once held you back. 47. You will trust your intuition more than the noise around you. 48. You will choose peace, even when chaos tries to find you. 49. You will learn that saying no is a form of self-respect. 50. You will stop settling for almost, maybe, and someday. 51. In 2026, you will walk into rooms you once felt unqualified for. 52. You will speak with confidence, not fear. 53. You will make decisions that honor your future, not your comfort zone. 54. You will stop carrying guilt for choosing yourself. 55. You will realize that losing people was never a loss. It was alignment. 56. You will stop chasing closure and start creating new beginnings. 57. You will forgive yourself for the years you spent surviving. 58. You will celebrate the small wins that lead to big breakthroughs. 59. You will protect your mental space like it's sacred, because it is. 60. You will stop letting fear negotiate your destiny. 61. In 2026, you will become the most disciplined version of yourself. 62. You will show up even on days you don't feel like it. 63. You will build habits that support the life you want. 64. You will stop waiting for the right moment and create your own. 65. You will learn that consistency is more powerful than motivation. 66. You will stop comparing your journey to others. 67. You will realize that your timing is divine, not delayed. 68, you will attract relationships that feel safe, supportive, and genuine. 69, you will release the need to prove yourself to anyone. 70, you will understand that your worth was never up for debate. 71, in 2026, you will heal parts of yourself you once avoided. 72, you will break emotional patterns that have followed you for years. 73, you will learn to rest without guilt. 74, you will learn to love without fear. 75, you will learn to grow without apology. 76, you will stop letting your past write your future. 77, you will step into rooms with a confidence that surprises even you. 78, you will rise above every doubt that ever tried to limit you. 79, you will look back and realize 2026 was the year everything changed. 80, and when you reach the end of this year, you will say, this was the year I finally became who I was meant to be. As you step into 2026, remember this: nothing about you is accidental. Your journey, your timing, your strength, it's all aligned for this moment. You are not walking into this year empty. You are walking in with wisdom, courage, and a heart that refuses to give up. So breathe deeply, trust your path, and move forward with confidence. 2026 is not just your year. It is your rebirth, your rise, your awakening. Go claim what is already yours.